Glam Squad, what is up? I am back today with a new video. We are going to make rice water. Sorry I've been away for so long. I've been super swamped and going through my own things, but that is no excuse to leave you guys hanging, and for that I am sorry, but I hope I can make it up to you today by posting this lovely video and talking about the special effects of rice water.
Yes, bitch, yes. Yes, bitch, yes.
So rice water is known to have a bunch of vitamins in it that's supposed to be really beneficial to your hair, the elasticity, and just the overall care and luxuriousness of your strands. I am going to be making this rice water according to my needs and wants. The basis of rice water is simply just rice and water, but you can feel free to add whatever you want to it, whether it's essential oils, no oils, whatever you want to, improve the smell and the quality of your rice water. So I have my ingredients and things that I will need right here, which is my bowl to wash my rice, a lemon because I want to use the lemon peels to just, enhance the scent of my rice water. I have my half cup of rice right here. Half cup is what you'll need. I have my knife, of course, to slice my lemon. I have my essential oil of choice, which is tea tree oil, but like I said, you can use whatever oil you want, or you can use as many oils as you want. It's your rice water, it's your hair, and it's your business. Boom. And then last but not least, a good sturdy storage container, which is a leftover Talenti jar. Anybody who eats Talenti knows how bomb these jars are. They're just the bomb. Recyclable use. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start by first washing the rice. I'm just going to move these to the side. I'm going to dump this in here. Okay, and then I have my warm water to mix, and I'm just going to get in it with my hands. I'm going to get physical, I'm going to get touchy, and I'm just going to wash the rice first. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wash the rice first. Just cleaning it. As you can see, the water becomes murky, so we're just gonna, cleanse that really quickly. It's your prerogative, honestly, when you want to stop. Just gonna catch that knife. I'm gonna go back. You see all the things floating to the top. Okay, and I think I'm just about finished. I think I'm done. I'm gonna give this a rinse. Okay, so I gave my rice a nice rinse. If you are the type of person to do more than one rinse to your rice, feel free to do so. I am not ingesting this rice, so I am not that concerned with rinsing the rice off that hard, if that makes sense. So I am ready to combine my ingredients. The best thing for me shouldn't have been to use this weird bowl to clean my rice and add it in, but we're just gonna make do with this weird bowl. So I'm gonna open up my Talenti jar. Because I use this weird bowl, I have the rice stuck, so I'm just gonna use a quick trick to just try to get as much rice as possible. This is a cup of warm water. It can be boiling hot water or it could be warm. I'm just gonna use a little bit of the water to kind of just shake the rice off the bowl to help this process go smoother. Okay, so I did that already. So then now I'm going to add in some more of this warm water. That seems like just enough. I'm gonna add my essential oil, which is tea tree oil. Okay, I think that's enough oil. And then now we're gonna go ahead and cut this lemon. Slice it like that. And I am just going to use the peels. Now this step is completely and fully optional, but this is what I'm going to use to try to decrease that like weird smell that you get from fermented rice water. I'm just going to make sure I don't have any of the spoiled pieces. And then that's one. And then I'm going to come across again. I'm going to cut off this piece right here. I'm going to slice it. You can use a lemon for something else later, as long as you store it in a plastic bag. Oh, the juice is coming out. I'm going to put it right in like that and store the other piece for later. Okay, so I went ahead and capped this bad boy. All right, look at this creation. The jar is still warm. I'm just going to shake it around like that. Give it a nice little shake, 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 shake. And this is your rice water, and my jar is still hot like I said, so this is good because it's just gonna cool down on its own. Let's do a smell test really quick. Smells like a hot lemon tea. This actually smells pretty good. So after you're done with this, you're just gonna go ahead and store it in a nice dark place. There you go, and voila, you are all set. Hi friends, don't mind me. Me and my room are just a little bit under construction right now, but I just want to talk to you guys really quickly before I let you guys leave. So I just did my own dip powder nails a couple nights ago. Ooh-wee. And I was contemplating on whether or not I should create a video about how I do my own dip powder nails. I did add on tips and extensions, by the way. I could make a video and show you guys how I do that one. I wasn't sure if anybody really cared or not, if anybody was actually willing to buy the stuff to actually do their nails, but I think I will end up making a video about that. Second thing I wanted to remind you guys that I still am very much so creating and making wigs for sale, so you can go ahead and order a wig. DM me through my Instagram, GlamGirlNish. Okay, follow the page, send me a DM. We can discuss how you want your hair, how much you want to spend, what you want to look like, and all that fun stuff. And last but not least, I am still very much so doing that giveaway once I reach 2,000 subscribers. Yes, you heard it here. 1, 2, count them, 2,000 subscribers. I will be doing that giveaway. So tell your friends about me, tell your brother about me, tell your mom, tell your auntie, tell everybody you know about me and this channel, okay? Stay flossy, Glam Squad. Talk to you soon.